my name is Bazo and I'll be showing you how to fix your patient's spine stabilizer. So, some examples of the situations where you would expect a neck or a spine injury is a car crash, doing sports, or also falling from a height like stairs. And you want to keep the neck and head in the same position as where you found it, so you don't want to touch it. If you had to, you would have to do it with both your hands, but you want to make sure that it stays exactly where you find it because you don't want to hurt any, of the neck region. For a splint, my patient has an injured arm, and so what we're going to do is check the circulation first and see if the circulation is good, if she's too cold or something in her arm. And then for the splint, we are going to use wood, which is more of like a rigid splint. And I will put one below her arm, right here. And then one above her arm right here. And then what we do is I'm going to wrap it around her arm to keep her arm stable. So you probably don't want to move it this much, but I kind of have to for this video. So kind of similar like that. And then you may want to make sure it's not too tight, but this can stable her arm. And you want to check again for the circulation to make sure this is not too tight or too loose. And how does that feel? Does it feel too tight?
Great.
It feels great. And you want to keep the splint in the same position it is found. So this was the position. So I will now be showing you how to do a sling. So first we check the circulation of the injury, check if there's good circulation, making sure that it's not cold enough. Then we take this, we put it in a triangle. We then put it like this and fold it. We tie two ends of the, what is this called? Towel in a knot. Like this. Then we put it around the patient's neck. Sorry. And then we have to move the injured arm a little bit just to get it into the sling. Thank you for helping. Something like that, so it's supported and it stays in place. So then we check the circulation. Okay. Then we check the circulation just to make sure it's not too tight. How does it feel?
So much better.
Thank you. I'm glad it feels better.